everyone. We are from the cybersecurity department. We are from the team 5, and our project is about customer service prediction. And what is customer lifetime prediction? It's nothing but where we estimate and predict the profit and revenue of our customer. And then users of a customers, according to their users, we have customized a project on a customer lifetime value prediction. In this, we have included the data collections, data pre-processing, model evaluation, finding about the frequency, accuracy, and average accounts. And then we are imported the NumPy pandas Metasploit, and then sklearn in our project. And over to Venkat.
Open the Kaggle website and download the datasets in the project. And next open the Google Colab. Click the file folder and upload the new file in zip file. Next, forward to the Prakash.
Up to here, you have a full clarification on the what is the customer. How to predict from the customers to improve his business strategies and improve his lifetime progress and the profit he will gain. So we used the three calculations to calculate the total profit of the CLV method. The first one was the recency, and the second one frequency, and the third one is the average frequency. By using these three calculations in the unsupervised learning method, we use to develop this customer life value prediction method to give the perfect prediction for the business person from the customers. Does this product have this much of the value in the customers for your business? So let us see how the code will run now and what are the modules we have used. So in the first cell, we have imported all the necessary libraries we needed. So the first library was the future. From the future library, I imported the division. You may also think why I only used the future library. I can also use the math library to import the division. The purpose I have used the future library because to get the only float values in the output. Because if I use the math, I may get the integer values if I divide anything or while calculation. But if I use the future library to import the division, I only get the float values. So to exact get the float values and to make my calculation more simpler and easier, I use the future library. And next from the date and time, I imported the date and time. And next pandas. Pandas are used for the data manipulation. And next I imported a matplotlib library for the visual representation and the numerical Python for the numerical values. And I import the plotly as the py to make my code write always as a Python. When I call it will call the plotly. And next I upload the data set in the next cell where I used the encoded format. Since I have downloaded the data set from the Kaggle is a decoded one, is an encoded one to tell that it was an encoded one to the collab link. I said the dataset was encoded in ISO-8859 format. So that's why I used the encoded format. And next one, I just to know that the dataset is working or not, I just print the header values. It will call the top 5 values from the head in the dataset and give me the output. And next to get the invoice data from the customer relations and the invoice year month to get what year month they were used and where the date to get the data from the specific data set. I call this data to convert from the strings and null values. I used this invoice month only cause the invoice year month in the specific column and the invoice date at the specific column wise. Now I want to know what are the countries in the dataset you want to be listed out. So I used the country format to list out the only countries in the dataset. Next swipe up. So from the above countries, I selected UK as my working progress. There are many countries in the dataset, so I selected UK. So in the country, I have selected the United Kingdom. And next, by using the pandas, I loaded the dataset. And next, I printed the top 5 values after loading the pandas. And as I actually said, we used the recency, frequency and the maximum purchase. So first I calculated the maximum purchase. So the maximum purchase of the customer IDs have been printed. And the next one, to calculate the recency. To calculate the recency, I have used the maximum purchase of recency and dt.s. It will include all the days from the entire dataset and give me the printout output. So for these customer ID, the recency was 325 and this customer ID, the recency was 1. So up to changes, it will be changes for every time. Now I use it again to print the head values, and it was our PKL to represent in a plot in a graphical structure. I use a plotlib. So this is the graph structure of the UK United Kingdom business statement of the business structure. It's going downwards. So it was in the lossing period. To predict the recency by using the unsupervised learning, there is a specific method called k-means. So to produce